Webtec, from UK, specialist in manufacturers of hydraulic measurement and control products, helping to improve the productivity of heavy machinery in the industrial, mobile, and agricultural sectors to diagnose hydraulic faults, verify hydraulic conditions and achieve repeatable hydraulic control. Webtec, UK, offers hydraulic instrumentation products, as well as priority flow dividers. HTM is the Indian distributor for Webtec, since 1995. Fixed flow pressure compensated control valve. Flow rate between 1.5 lpm to 16 lpm selectable, it can handle reverse free flow. Variable flow pressure compensated control valve from 1.5 lpm to 55 lpm, free reverse flow possible. Fixed priority flow dividers, factory cert and offer, priority flow divider from 3.78 lpm to 34.1 lpm, presettable. Priority and bypass could be used simultaneously. Proportional flow dividers, proportional pressure compensated type flow divider. It can divide to your required proportions from standard range or, even non-standard splits possible. Variable priority flow dividers. Variable priority, there are three broad models available: VFD 50, VFD 120 and VFD 190. Based on their capacity to handle the flow rate. Priority and bypass could be used simultaneously. Extensively used by crushers manufacturers and construction machinery manufacturers. Highly reliable with repeatability and accurate controls. Variable priority flow divider with remote proportional control. Variable priority is achieved by proportional control feature. 11 to 28 volts supply enables from vehicle battery. Choice of remote control options. Potentiometer 0.5, 5 volts of 4 to 20 milliamps. Ideal for repeatability and accurate results. Variable priority flow dividers. With electric motor drive. Control by toggle or rocker switch. No external control box, electronics is built in, pressure compensated allows priority and bypass simultaneously. Protected IP66. Flow divider combiner. Divide and combine on 50%, 50% basis or even up to 10%, 90%. Flow range 5 lpm to 70 lpm. No aluminium in this product, ideal for mining applications. Non-return valve. Inline mounting within restricted space. 7 models are offered with 4 cracking pressure. Combination valve, variable priority. Flow divider with directional control. Variable priority flow divider, combined with direction control. Pressure compensated for both priority and bypass could be used simultaneously. At varying pressures without affecting priority flow. Easy installation. Relief built in with adjustable feature. Also, diverter valve available, which is very popular in Webtec range. Number of spools 1 or 2. Rotary shear directional control valve. Multiples types for spring centering of detent action. Position lock optional. V-lave can handle up to 700 bar with zero leakage. 180 series is steel version. 280 series is stainless steel version. Directional control valves. Heavy duty, low leakage direction control valve and hand operated type. Seals, nitrile. Flow hub digital monitoring solution. For flow and temperature to measure, display switch and transmit. Accuracy 3% F.S. 5 flow sizes cover 1 to 360 lpm pressure, either 210 or 420 bar. Optional switches and analog output, milliamps, voltage. Ideal for lubrication systems. Hydraulic flow monitors. Flow rate maximum 550 lpm. Pressures up to 240 bar. Accuracy 4% fs. Range of porting options allows very low pressure drop. CT SAE J1939 CAN turbine flow meters. CAN bus sensor. Built-in with loading valve optional. SAE J1939 CAN compatible, configured to customer's specification. Can handle wide range of hydraulic oil, lubrication oils, and fuels. High pressure flow indicators. Unidirectional up to 180 lpm and 420 bar. Optional thermometer. Available in aluminium for oil, and brass for water-based fluids. High pressure flow indicators, 1500 series. Unidirectional, up to 400 lpm and 350 bar. Available in aluminium for oil, and brass for water-based fluids. High pressure flow indicators, RFI series. Reversible, up to 200 lpm, and 420 bar. Available in aluminium for oil. Built-in thermometer. Mechanical testers RFIK. Accuracy 4% fs. Can handle up to 200 lpm, 30, 60, 120, and 200 lpm. Purpose to measure flow, pressure, and temperature. Built-in loading valve with interpass protected. No batteries required. Pressure test kits. Complete kits for pressure testing. Assembled to customer specification. Fit test points wherever required in the circuit. Kit includes gauges, hoses and test points. Separate loading valve. To simulate machine performance. 5 models available. Safety with interpass. Can be used in LT or CT or FI. Simplified digital testers. Measures flow, 1% fs. Simple on-off control. Digital hydraulic multimeter. Available for 400 or 800 lpm. Measures up to 1% indicative reading for flow rate. Also measures pressure, peak pressure, power, and temperature. Log results and email a test certificate instantly via QuickCert app for iPhone. Measure hydraulic pump efficiency with PQ test. Digital testers with remote inputs. Measures flow pressure and temperature as primary. ALS mirrors secondary flow and speed input. Simulate machine performance with loading valve interpass protected. Digital testers with remote inputs, DHCR series. Measures flow pressure and temperature as primary. ALS mirrors secondary flow and speed input. Simulate machine performance with loading valve interpass protected. Remote readout for use with LT or LTR series. Digital test kit, up to 1500 lpm. Measure flow, pressure, temperature, and optional speed. Kit designed for hydraulic testing of very large mobile machinery. Optional load valve rated to 1500 lpm, and 420 bar to simulate machine load. Analog testers with remote input. Measure flow, pressure, and temperature. External speed input. Simulate machine performance using loading valve. Interpass, protected. OEM test kits. Custom test kits built to your specification. Ideal tool kits for service engineers. OEM branding and marketing solutions available. Used by major mobile machinery OEMs worldwide. Digital pressure gauge. Digital pressure to 1 decimal with peak pressure capture. 2 pressure ranges available 100 or 600 bar. Backlit display. Engineering unit conversion is easily possible. Flow meters, SR and ID. Sensor recognized and intelligent digital. Precision turbine flow meters, 1% IR. 12 models cover range 0.1 to 750 LPM, up to 480 bar. Additional top ports for temperature and pressure. With or without built-in loading valve. Sensors, SR and ID. Pressure transducers rated up to 1000 bar. Temperature sensor. Speed sensor. Current and voltage input converters for custom sensors. Hydraulic data loggers, SR and ID. 2 models, choose between SR and ID. Choose between 2 or 3 input version. USB connectivity, nano USB up to 4 GB. Supplied with HTM COM software. Hydraulic data loggers, SR and ID, HTM 6000 series. 3 models, offering between 16 and 26 inputs. Connect intelligent digital, ID, and sensor recognition, SR, sensors. Full color 5.7 display, USB, Ethernet. Supplied with HTM COM software. CT flow meters. Precision turbine flow meters, 1% IR. 8 models cover range 1 to 1500 LPM, up to 480 bar. Additional top ports for pressure and temperature. Other outputs available, milliamps, volt, pulse. Pressure transducers. Models cover pressure range 1 to 1000 bar. Accurate to 0.25% full scale. Fast response time. Other outputs available, milliamps, volt. Temperature sensors. Scaled up to 150 degrees Celsius. Rated to 480 bar. Fast response time. Other outputs available, milliamps, volt. C2000 Hydraulic Data Acquisition System. Speed sensors. Speed sensor with TTL output. 0 to 2 kHz magnetic pickup. Ideal for measuring pump/motor speed. Connects directly into C2000. Flow meters, special applications. Precision gear type flow meters, 0.5% IR. 3 models cover flow range 0.1 to 150 LPM up to 420 bar. Bidirectional. 4 to 20 mA, as standard GF.